You guys, let's make small meat pie for my children's pack lunches. Small one. Now add olive oil in a pot, just a tiny bit, just to saute the onions. The next thing is to add my chopped onions. Now stir. The next thing is to add my minced meat. Now add seasoning cubes, some curry powder, and some salt. Stir. And allow to cook. Add your carrots and potatoes. Stir. Add water, a little bit of water. Cover and allow the carrots soften. Now let's check on the filling. I'm going to add my cornstarch. You can use flour to achieve this. Just there, so that it doesn't stick in one place. As you can see, it's ready. Now I'm going to off the heat and allow it to cool. I'll proceed by making my dough. Now I'm going to make my dough. I've got some all-purpose flour, my butter, this is actually cold butter, very cold. I'm going to mix it until it forms a crumbly texture, like so. I'm going to use my 2 hands to keep mixing. Now I'm going to add my milk. Look at that crumbly texture. Now I'm going to add, whose phone is ringing? Cold milk. Need cold milk. Mix until it forms a dough. Don't overmix. This way. Now the dough is ready. I'm gonna divide it into 2. Keep one here and divide it. The way it will be so easy for me to roll out like this. Yep. Now I'm gonna take it one at a time and roll it out. I'm gonna roll it out. Me, I'm used to this one. I find it so simple and easy. Doesn't take me time. Press it down. Then cut it and is done. And yeah, it's done. Look at that. Now another one. Roll it out. Add your filling. cover and seal. And it's done. I'm going to continue the process until I'm done. Now, this is the pies. I'm going to egg wash before transferring in my preheated oven and bake until done. Look at that, it looks so good. This one was small though, for their packed lunches tomorrow and next. After brushing, now I'm done egg washing. Now I'm done egg washing. I'm gonna transfer it in my preheated oven and bake until done. You guys, it's ready. It's done. Look at that. So soft and juicy. Look at that. You guys, look at that. Look at this. Is in fact, I'm not talking. See you next time.